Hello guys, welcome to the Python pattern printing tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing about printing the pattern in the right angle triangle structure using stars. If the user input is n equals to 5, then the pattern should be printed like this. After seeing this, we came across some of the observations like if n equals to 5, then number of rows equals to 5. That means our number of rows is equals to n. And by observing each row, for example, in first row we have 1 star, and in second row we have 2 stars, and in third row we have 3 stars. That is, for every row we have I number of stars. Let us print our pattern using code. At first, we will take input from the user n equals to int of input of. Next, with this n, we have to print n rows. So, for I in range of 1 to n plus 1, in every row we have row number of stars. So for j in range of I, print of star, and we are using n equals to space because in every row after every star we have space in between them. So we are using n equals to space. After printing every row, we have to use n equals to slash n. Let's save this code and run it. Let us give the input as 4. So here is our output. As we give input as 4, we have 4 rows, and in every row we have row number of stars and a space after that. This can be implemented in another way also without using the second for loop. So after using our first for loop, we can reduce this as print of star and a space after the star into I, and as it is a string and I is an integer, it will print the each row containing the row number of stars, and with n equals to slash n. After printing this, the control will come to the next line. So let us save this and run this code, giving the input as 5. So this is the another way of printing the right angle triangle pattern. Let us check it with other integer values. 7, and now I am giving the input as 3. We have 3 rows, and in every row we have row number of stars. That's it for the video. If you like the content, please like the video and share to your friends. Please subscribe to the channel.